how's it going? Thanks for joining us on another episode of FishNGrillz. We are out on the north shore of Oahu checking out some of the food trucks here at the Old Haleiwa area for some lunch. There's so much good food here to choose from. We're just gonna grab a little bit of this and a little bit of that.
Half and half. Okay, sauce. Thank you. Thank you. Mahalo. Yes, sir. How's it?
My friend watching you guys too.
We're just filming some stuff right now.
So I'm back from college, and we just finished diving too. We went to Moke's over there.
Oh, nah.
Yeah.
How's it?
Nice to meet you.
Oh, yo.
Nice to meet you. Freaking
guy. Hungry right now.
Bro, that's like me with the fishing
So
in
you
the
guys
palace.
went diving Moke. How's that?
Current was ripping.
Oh yeah, those dangerous over there, yeah. We was trying to jump in this past weekend. I saw the current, I was like, bust out the fishing poles. You know what I mean? Sometimes it's not worth it, you know?
Sounds good. My favorite video of you guys when you guys were cooking the Roy, I was like, what? No way! What? These guys cooking one Roy? What? And then like, I'm like, shoot, I gotta try.
No, you think like Roy is a delicacy in parts of the world, right?
Yeah,
Nah, it was just a stigma at one point that I was on Secretary, but Blues get more Secretary than they don't fish in the water.
Cole's get it, goldfish get it.
Yeah, Cole's, yeah. It's something that's just
It really depends on the look. Cheers.
Really good. Crunchy, hot. Goes perfect with the cucumber and the lettuce. It's like a thick sweet chili sauce.
Coconut shrimp.
Oh yeah. What's your shrimp? Oh yeah, that's spicy. Really good flavor though. Really soft, easy to chew, flavor perfectly balanced. Mean.
Bugger is mean.
Bugger is mean.
Done? You're done. Let's get out of here. Always throw your trash over there.
Well, that was fun. We had some good food and we got to meet a couple of our subscribers. So now with our bellies full and our motivation up, we're gonna go head down to the beach to go mess around and shoot a quick promo for our content creator friend in Australia, Wet Mammal. Be sure to check out his page. He's got some good catch and cook content as well.
Whenever you're ready.
Ready?
So if you haven't noticed already, we're using a couple of Kai's new spears from Kai's Handcrafted Spears. Go check it out on Instagram.
Now look really fast at the ocean. And then I'm gonna zoom in. Hand up, and then before. Go. Even more serious.
Quiver the lid.
There, and then go ahead, go. Fast though, do it fast. So like make it like one side move like
Oh, okay.
like crazy. And look at the camera.
Oh,
Yeah, the camera's ocean.
Okay, ready?
And then would it be possible to like get the drone and then fly it backwards like from this
I just
position?
put it away.
Keeps doing it, and I'm gonna zoom in on the logo.
It's all good fun. We kept it simple, but we win with this. Sadly, we couldn't play the audio though to protect ourselves from the copyright. but be sure to check out our Instagrams for more daily content. On our way out, we bumped into a couple of buddies from the dive community, so we talked story a little bit before we head out.
Oh, we're gonna make
We're doing a bunch of promos right now.
fried taco stir fry. Hello buddy, today we're gonna be making some Korean pancakes on the Panyolo Woks. Here we have is a 4-pound taco. We're gonna boil up, chop it up, add it to the batter. The original recipe calls for squid or ika, but today we're gonna experiment with taco and we're gonna put in some shrimp with the rest of the ingredients. First things first, let's clean it up. So sharp. This knife is scary.
So for those of you that are wondering, this is a technique we use to try and preserve as much of the meat as we can. Basically cutting around all of the meat so that the eyes, the beak, and the guts all come out in one piece.
A quick and easy way to tenderize it and to deslime it. So only one easy step. Up and down. So do this about 1,000 reps. Up and down 6 inches. Should do the trick.
That's not 6 inches.
It's about 6 inches.
It's average.
Subjective.
So we're gonna take a look at what Chevy thinks is 6 inches.
This is 6 inches. Get the measuring tape. Get the measuring tape. Right there, the measuring tape. Right there. Bust it out, Caleb. Right there. Right there, the measuring tape. 6 inches, boy.
So the shrimp's defrosted, so we're gonna deshell it, put it in the bowl, chop it up, cook it up. It's gonna be good.
Cool. Alright, so you know you're doing a good job when the legs start curling up like this, and then see all the foam on the bottom of the pan. You know it's coming soft. So you can kind of check it when the webs can kind of break easy like that. That's how you know you're doing a good job. And then you can sort of go between the legs, start cleaning all the slime. So we're gonna give her a good rinse. Put it in the pot, put it in the pressure cooker for about 10-15 minutes, chop her up, add it to the batter. Drop the bay leaf in there.
Just one bay leaf?
Just one. That's just for experiment anyway. The natural flavor of the taco. Oh, I wonder if we did it for like an hour and the thing come like jello. A better bell pepper.
Sorry, it's rumbling.
Better bell pepper? Yeah, just not that.
Really
Hot pinner.
Nice and gooey.
Oh gosh.
Like a bell pepper.
It's very hot.
Ah!
Look though.
Ah! It's so hot.
It's not that hot. You still exaggerated. It tastes like bell pepper.
This is hot. The brownie in my head, not the freaking peppers.
Well, I said it tastes like a bell pepper, and then you ate it.
Not. I'm the one that said it was. Oh, him.
So
He's also
not.
I
suffering.
just said it's like a better bell pepper. It's not that hot.
Take a bite.
Wow, my whole mouth is numb right now.
Look,
I just
put a season everything. Look,
You think I'm
hot. Yeah,
it's so hot.
Caleb!
These are frozen.
So 1 kilo is 2.4 pounds? Yeah? 1 kilo is 2.4 pounds?
Yep, 2.2 pounds.
2.2 pounds.
There you go.
Ooh, that looks delicious. Look at that. Super soft. 50 minutes in a pressure cooker. That's all you need. Look at that. It's all like, ooh, so soft.
Nice.
So let's just check the texture of this thing.
Checks it by looking at it or showing it?
Caleb, you're summoned. Caleb, you're summoned.
Caleb!
Yeah, he's down in here with us.
Oh, Caleb!
Unless you actually hear something with some kind of spell, I don't think he can hear you.
Caleb!
Taste testing?
Yeah. It's hot and slimy.
That is hot.
I swear. Really soft.
Are you want to get
Retains some
some?
good flavor.
Bobby, wanna try one?
How long?
Sure.
Check the texture.
No, hands are messy.
That's right.
Go feed him.
Just check the texture. See if that's soft enough.
That's good.
That's super soft.
Yeah. That's what
Winner, he says.
Well, it's way softer than it normally is, yeah.
That's the more jello-y too, yeah, because
It's super good, actually.
green onions, 4 chives, potatoes, carrots, red peppers, and everything else left on the cutting board. Kimchi.
Bring the proteins over here.
that's already that. I'm gonna start trying out these shrimps.
Hand.
Use my hand.
Use your hand.
No.
Just use your hand.
I don't want to use my hand.
Just use your hand.
Why'd you get her a glove? Bobby, or are you gonna make her mix it first and then give her a glove?
Do you have gloves?
Use my hand.
he has gloves, that's why.
I don't. But I don't
Just
cook
use your
gloves.
hand. You just wash your hands after.
I have my rubber band on this hand too. That's gross.
Oh, when did you wash it?
Last week, at least once.
Are you talking about your hand?
Yeah?
More protein.
Now we can finally get to cooking. And for this, we're gonna use our new Paniolo wok. We've been really loving this one. Super convenient, portable, durable. Go check them out on Instagram.
Oh, wait, I said hold
So you're gonna use the center to make them one by one, or like until they solidify?
on. Yeah, just do one by one.
Oh, look the magic! It's a Korean pancake made with some taco. Show me the flip. Make it amazing.
Not amazing.
Not amazing.
Not amazing.
Mediocre. Mid. Looks like a tuna patty. The redemption arc. Don't draw the.
That one was amazing. Better.
Just above average. What are we doing now?
No, this isn't gonna be a good one because
We already had good ones.
this is gonna be a better one. This is the best one.
It's gonna turn out horrible. You jinxed it. You gave it expectations it could never fulfill. Now its life will be horrible because of you. Are you the best? The third? Rinse it off.
Erase.
So That was not sick.
You gotta cook it longer, I think.
Oh my god, that's perfect.
Let's get one of these. I think this is a gochujang base sauce. That's really good. So much flavors in one bite. That sauce complements all that. A slight hint of spiciness, but that flavor is just unbelievable. Cooked perfectly with the Paniolo woks. So I'm gonna go with one of these sauces. Secret sauces.
Couple drips. Explosion of flavor.
Not your typical pancake, let me tell you that. So how do you talk about that one? Thing just melts in your mouth.
With the shrimp, spice, the sweetness.
All that flavor just complementing each other. Grade A.
Spicy. What is which one? What is what?
They're all different.
Yeah.
They're all different.
This one's like a gochujang. I think this is like a sesame seed. This one's like a chili spice.
According to Bobby, only one is spicy.
But I like his, this one tasted really good.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Nice. What you got, Jared? Get some.
That was a good show.
That was hot.
It's good though.
Mahalo, everybody, for sticking around. We had a blast.
Had some good times, good drives, good people.
As always,
Stay tuned for the next episode of
FishNGrillz!
yes sir.
Hey guys, thanks for all the support. If you want to see our channel improve and you dig what we're dishing, be sure to pick up some merch. Aloha.